Hello all, welcome to the Bullish Way Show. And in today's show, I would like to bring your attention towards my recent readings upon the economy worldwide and its calculated risks upon Indian markets. In this video, we'll be talking about the current market scenario which is prevailing in world markets right away, with larger indices getting corrected by more than uh, or 3% or 4% points, and bond yields surging at 4%. Means we can see up to 4% in upcoming days, given the debt which has been rising for America. So in India, if we are talking about India, banks or sector which majorly contributes towards stock index of India Nifty 50 will remain under consideration with no clear breakout till we have this independence speech by Mr. Prime Minister, which I think will in turn, take the route of some policy changes and make some policy measures which will help the rural economy to get over the measure which they are seeing right away. Stock market, the index, if we're talking about the index Nifty 50, has corrected more than 600 points from the highs which it made last month. So it's 6.14% of correction. And given the recent this month, I mean March, this is a tax collection month for Indian tax department, with GST made indirect taxes revenue will also come up for this month and for the last month, which was February. While Indian middle class is mostly can be expected to take the route of tax exemptions, various tax exemptions which we have in our markets today, like through Section 80cc. So in that, they invest in mutual fund, life insurance in the end of the year, and take the benefits of exemption under income tax acts. While talking about the banking sector again, I think there will be further tightening of the banking industry given the recent crashes, which in turn has made the Reserve Bank to make stricter policy norms for banking particularly. This is a risk along with the other global risks such as trade war, which has begun since Middle East first did with Qatar and UAE and Saudi Arabia having a trade war between them altogether, while America is being passed this baton now. Upon various industrial goods, America has imposed taxes since the past few weeks, like steel, aluminum. So these are very important industrial metals, and lots of companies fortune depend on this. So there is a risk of profit margin getting sucked off by both the Indian companies and the foreign manufacturers which is of USA, like Caterpillar. While Canada, another Indian ally, which may also move towards replicating the policies which America has taken against India, given the recent discomfort in relations between the two leadership of the nations. My suggestion is for the people, for the traders basically, is to avoid short-term speculation if you are not a professional.